What do you have to say, Donnelly? Huh? Nothing? Okay. Oh jeez, I'm getting attacked. Oh jeez. Watson! That is the new farm fam dog. His name is Watson. Polar bears attacking behind me. So today's vlog is going to be a little bit different. Right now I'm at the farm that I work at and also my horse stays at. And today's going to be kind of a mix of working at the farm and maybe a little bit of riding. And then after that I'll go back to the house and normal vlog will start up. But if you don't like horse poop, then you might want to skip the first couple of minutes. So here we go. All complete. So guys, waters are all done, paddocks are all picked, and farm chores are all done. Now, I think we're gonna ride, and then we're gonna go to Dunkin's, and then I'm gonna go home. So guys, just finished my ride with my horse Maddie. If you're wondering why he doesn't have a halter on him, is because I left it up at the indoor, so I have to go get that. But it was a fun ride. Morgan and I rode bareback, and now I think we're gonna leave the farm and go to Dunkin's. We've been done chores for a while, but now the fun is over, and go to Dunkin's and then go back home and do school and bleh. So guys, heading up to the indoor to get Maddie's halter. And surprisingly, if you guys know horses, they get scared of random crap. And Maddie was scared of that tarp right there and would not go in the indoor. But finally I got him in. So, where is his halter? Here it is. And we're good. So guys, I think this is going to be the end of today's vlog. I believe this is our 9th or 10th vlog, which is pretty cool. And I've had a great time doing videos for you guys. So I haven't been posting every day. I have work and other priorities, but I'm not going to get into that. That's my personal life. But today's vlog was pretty fun to make and pretty fun to edit, so hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment any questions, anything. Comment anything down below. If you want to just say hi, if you have any questions, just ask me.